we go. Going for a ride on the mini bike. Just should be a little bit better. It should run a little bit better. This is the old one, not the new one I showed in my two shorts. But I just did an oil change on it. As you can see, the oil right here, it's pretty bad. It's got like chunks in it and stuff. I think that's just from rocks from like down here, but did an oil change. Drained all the old gas, put new gas in. It seems to run a little bit better now. Oh shoot. Seems to run a little bit better now, but not perfect. It definitely doesn't run good at all. It runs like not even close to as good as the new one. But what do you expect? Can you not? No, he's at his house. Yeah, we're having KFC, I think. I haven't had it in a while. Don't like it very much, or I don't know if I like it. So, first pull. Hopefully it goes a bit better than last time. The clutch isn't slipping as much anymore, so we're gonna go hit the back alley again and go along the length of it. So good thing there's no cars, because my leg is probably getting sprayed with oil right now, but yeah, it runs horrible. Like, it won't even stay running, like, if I let off even for a sec. So, gotta give it a little bit of gas all the time. I think it's because I don't have a muffler. I think that did something with the valves. Why won't it start now? Choke. Alright, let's go. Never mind. This thing is super annoying. Okay, let's go now. Before it dies again. The muffler like sprays right on my leg too, which is kind of hot. It makes my leg kind of hot, but it's whatever. I believe this thing has a top speed of 40 kilometers an hour, but I'm not 100% sure. I haven't brought out like the speedometer app on my phone on my phone yet. I haven't brought it out to check yet, so I can't talk very loud right now. So we gotta go. We gotta just go. We gotta keep going, or this thing's gonna die again. I also cleaned the carburetor on it too, to see if that helps, but it didn't. I think it's something with the engine being like 10 years old or something. I don't know how old it is, but oops. Dogs always bark at this thing, and I'm scared I'm gonna get in trouble one day. Haven't yet, but I've only got the cops called on me, I think, once. Or maybe. It was in the winter when I was doing, like, donuts and stuff on it, so we might go up to the school. Yeah, we're gonna go there. Let's go. They're running jump technique. Let's go. Woo! Even though it doesn't rip, it's still fun. Ow, ow, ow. No suspension whatsoever. And the seat is so cooked. And I gotta start it again because it died again. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for riding this thing. Oh no! No! It's either locked up or the pull start did that thing again. Sometimes, last time this happened, the pull start got cooked. The pull start was the problem. This time I think it's the pull start again, but it might be the engine. Although I did just put new oil in it, so it couldn't be that. Like, I'm pretty sure there's oil in there. Here, let's check real quick. Pretty sure there's oil in here, though. Yeah, maybe a little bit too much. Let's just pour a little bit more of that out. Yeah, I might have put a little bit too much. Is that bad for it? Maybe. It might be. Please, just like, it's gonna be the pull start, I can tell. Oh, I think I can see like the little bit of damage in there, but that's a lot of oil. That I put way too much oil in here. Well, we'll get back if we can when we get back to the house and we take the pull start off. Well guys, we're back at home and we're about to take off the pull start to see if I can hand crank it over. And then maybe I'll need a new pull start. And if I need a new pull start, I'll just drill start it right now so we can go riding a little bit. And I can't let it die. And if I do that, I just can't let it die. It wasn't even very far walk. It's only been like 5 minutes. I don't even know what size it is. Ugh. Let's just grab one of the smaller sizes. Way too small. Oh, my toolbox is a mess, man. Ow. Look what I did to my finger. I don't know if you can see that, but I completely banged it on the mini bike when trying to get the oil off, or oil drain plug out. Because they're in one of the worst spots too, right up front. It's either going to be that size, or I'm hoping it's either that size or the size on the butt, or the size I have on the drill. Because if it's not, that's going to suck. I bet you it's going to be the smaller, it's 9mm. Yeah, it's the 9mm. Alright. It's all good. Oh, they're back. Never mind, it's not the 9mm. It's smaller than a 9mm. How do you get much smaller, bro? And how much smaller? Is it like the one I said that's too small, maybe? Who's that one at now? This one? And we'll just grab another one from in here. Just in case. Is it smaller than 9mm? No. This thing better not be blown up, because like I literally just put new oil and new gas in it. I just put new oil, new gas, cleaned the carburetor, and washed it, like sprayed it down. So, oh my goodness, I'll get back to when. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna bring it up there. Honestly, thinking about getting back to y'all when I get the right size. Alright, I got the right size. The right size is an 8. An 8mm, I think. So let's just take this off and see if we can hand crank it over. Is this still leaking gas? No, it is. Oh, it is from the carburetor right here. Ah, it's a ripped fuel line, so I'm not even gonna. She still spins, chat. Yeah. So, it just came off the line here, is what's causing it to not go. I just put it back on. Most of the time I just put it back on and it just works fine. I am gonna try and get a new pull start for it, which would be nice. Because, assuming this one never fails completely, I'd like to have a spare. And this one doesn't even fit on here correctly, so. Also, the reason I have a tie in here is because I was pulling it, because when I first got it, I was pulling it because I was trying some new things, trying to start it, and to get it to run again. Okay, that gas is leaking is actually making me mad, bro. And then the thing just came. I'm not even gonna bother with the washers, bro. It's not even worth it. I know I'm gonna have to take it off like right away again, bro. And then where else did I have one? I'm putting one right here, which I think is where I had it in the first place. Okay. Going back out. Let's go. The kill switch is backwards because I wired it up wrong. But I didn't want to short circuit, or like not short circuit. I didn't want to blow the bike up. So I kind of had to go with the color coding, and that's how it was. I don't know. It's gonna fire right back up. Told ya. We'll just go along the road again, because it's not really worth it. We'll just pass these kids real quick, because they're slow. You want to race? 3, 2, 1, go! Get down. I'm going on the side. I don't want to get in trouble. Alright, we're back right up here. So, yeah, hopefully it doesn't go wrong again. No suspension again. The seat's not even cushy. I really hope y'all can hear me. This is my school, so yeah. I wonder if I could wheelie this. Sorry. I wonder if I could wheelie this thing. Should I try? Only for like a second. Not long at all. Like, I could just go, whoop. I think I'm gonna go through the yard and then turn around. Because, like, you know, don't want to get in trouble with the cops. Or I don't want to see a cop. Yeah, I'm gonna come out here again later, I think. That's when it's good to come out here, like when it's late. Oh, shit. Hold on, let me tighten my helmet real quick. Alright, we're good. Wait, never mind. Hold on. Alright, we're good. Let's go. Woo! That was so underwhelming. Like, that was not cool at all. Ah! We're gonna keep going. Does this go into someone's yard? It does, okay. I don't go down here very much, so this is kind of new. It's kind of boring though. None of my friends have mini bikes. I'm the only one with a mini bike. The mini bike's kind of sick, like, with it. I can kind of get going a little bit fast. Once you get going, it goes into the back alley there. But I don't think I'm gonna go there. I might get in trouble. So I'm gonna go back through it here. I think I'm gonna loop around the school again. Cause like there ain't much more to do. It's such a small place. Like the town I live in, it's kind of small, so there's not really many places you can go that aren't on the road. It's probably better than some places in the States or other places, but still. I drove to the co-op one time and got myself a slushie on this thing with like a whole bunch of my friends. There's that dog again. And I got like, almost got caught, I think. Like I saw a cop and he just kept driving. I don't think he really cared, which is good. This thing struggles to get going, bro. It's like so bad, like. I also tightened everything down so it's a bit less sketchy to ride. It's still a bit bad though. Oh yeah, I got like scratched and stuff, so that's why there's blood all over my clothes. There might be a bunch of cuts in the video because the GoPro stops recording at 4 gigabytes on a FAT32 file, which is kind of annoying, but I don't know how big 4 gigabytes is in recording, so it is what it is, I guess. I guess we're just gonna have to guess, kind of, right? What if we go in here and do some, like, gonna do burnout, I wonder. Burnout, burnout. Yay! That was sick. Uh-oh. A car saw that. I don't think they really care though. It was cool, so I think that's all that matters. Uh-oh. What is this car doing? Oh. They're just going to their house. I don't think they're really trying to follow me or anything. Shit, there's a lot of cars here, bruh. I don't even want to ride on the sidewalk either, cause you know, I might get in trouble. So I think I'm just gonna go across the road or whatever. He waved me across. I wasn't trying to go across, but you know how it is. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I think I'm gonna turn around and go back. At the stop sign. I'm gonna hit a U-turn. I know it's illegal, but so is this thing. Woo! This thing's fun. I love it. I've had it for like a year and a half now. But I love everything about it. I'm debating going back up the gravel road where I came from. Or, here, I'll take the sidewalk real quick. Off-road, yippee. Or just going down the road here. But I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go down the road, but fuck it, man. Honestly, can I hit a wheelie real quick? No, I can't. There's a car coming. Oh shit, this is the wrong side of the road. There's a guy there. I don't know how much like people like being recorded or whatever, so like I'm trying not to. I'm gonna turn down here. I don't know where this goes, but I think it just leads to that gravel road or whatever. Really? Nope. Fail. Woo! I really want to go back to the school and do a burnout in the sand. I wonder how bumpy this is gonna be. Whoa, whoa. Not that bad yet. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, that hurt my butt. This bike is basically made for like 10-year-olds. I'm full throttle. Ooh, we got the pop. We got the backfires going. Oh shit. If there's people at the park, then I'm not gonna go. Maybe I should cut through the field. It looks long, I don't want to get tipped. But I'm gonna do it anyways. That shit looks hella fun. Oh, never mind. I regret this. I regret this. Full throttle. We're gonna make it. Oh my god, it's so long. The grass is so long. Oh my god, it don't look like there's nobody here. Go quick. Go, 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 go. Come on, minibike. Let's go. Come on. Yes. We did it. We did it. That was successful. Let's go. Maybe. Woo! Yes, sir. We got the minibike. I'm gonna go down a slide real quick. Them swings are them swings are fun. Hopefully no one shows up. Let's go down the, oh look at this. I don't even think you can see through there anymore. There used to be like a, yeah, you know what I mean. Parks get kind of boring at recess, they're kind of mid. At least I don't think anyone's noticing me. Let's go down this slide. Woo-wee! That was kind of fun. Alright, let's keep going on the mini bike. Let's go and do a burnout here. This stuff's too sticky for burnouts. It's like super, like, I don't even know what it's called. But I don't like it. I don't like riding on it or anything. Just gonna roll it over there, fire it up, and do a quick burnout and leave. Just go. Oh. Okay. Got nervous for a sec. Because they kind of glanced at me, I saw. But, let's just do it here quick. Let's go. Come on, fire it up, fire it up, fire it up. Go, go, go. Okay, let's leave. Alright, we're leaving. We're taking the main road, because I don't care. Maybe I do, but I'm still taking the main road. Because I'm just that cool. I need a new clutch, bro. Is there someone on a bike down there, or are they walking? Let's go! We're in the clear, boys. We're in the clear. That car's turning, we're good. Bro gave me a thumbs up. I don't know why. Maybe. I don't even think I know that guy. Oh well. He seems chill. Seemed like he wouldn't have got mad. Like, I've seen a lot of people that like it, and then a lot that don't. Some people look at me like they want to, like, I don't know, like they want to, like, not like me. But, like, I'm just a kid having fun on a mini bike. Although I am 14, but still, just a kid having fun on a mini bike. We're gonna go home now. Hit the back alley again. I'm hungry. I wonder if they're back with the food yet. Oh, there's water up here. That's kind of annoying. Go slow, because there's houses on both sides. That's a nice car. I might just stay on the sidewalk, I think. Never mind. Let's go. Woo! Well, that was hella fun. I enjoy riding this thing. It's so fun, bro. Especially when there's nobody around. I like going later in the day when there's no one around. Or like barely any people walking and hanging out at the park and stuff. Cause like, then I will get more chance to go do stuff like burnouts in the park and stuff. But I probably shouldn't. It's just the sand, but like I'm not gonna damage anything. Well, anyways, that was fun. I will catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe for more content like this.